Okay.
You better slouch too, though.
Oh yeah, I'll
Did
slouch.
you press
Okay.
the record button?
I did.
Great.
It's recorded.
Okay.
This is the ghettoest thing I've ever seen in my life. Aren't these the hot lights?
Hey, camera. This is the dumbest thing we've ever done. No, it's not. It's close, though. Today we will be doing the fart soundboard.
Because guess who's useless?
Us.
No, just you.
For any of you who don't know, the fart soundboard challenge was invented by the YouTube holy trinity that is Mamrie, Hannah, Hart, and Grace Helbig. And basically what we have to do is we have to read out the names of farts from a fart soundboard and then play them and not laugh.
What are we gonna do, like shots or something?
No,
We
Megan.
can't do alcohol, obviously.
Do you think doing alcohol is cool?
Yeah.
If you win, you can have a pencil. How's that sound?
A mechanical pencil?
Fuck no. I'm not made of money. I don't want.
Well, go down and get me Sprite anyway.
Right now.
Yeah.
My mother sends her love.
I don't like mint.
Well, that's really too fucking bad. The winner gets... I said it somewhere. The winner gets pencil.
Dale Earnfart. Oh, I forgot to turn on the sound. That was a laugh.
This one is called Bottom Burp.
I'm good. Gravy stains. Gravy stains.
I think I already have 4 points.
I don't think it matters if when you're doing it you laugh.
Oh, then I have 2. Points are stupid. We're not going to do points. Oprah Winfrey.
Oh my god.
Oh god, no.
Symphartic
Oh no.
finale. I'm good.
I'm not. It's still going.
I'm good. What did they eat? Why is it so? Is it multiple people as well?
Is it still going? That was all one.
Air biscuit.
No. That wasn't that good.
No, just imagine the dog. And it's like it's jumping and it's being propelled by the force.
Orchestra pit. That wasn't that funny. It was just... I mean, you know it was like the snootiest violinist that was like, oh, I take private lessons.
They're just like...
And then they bend over and just... Someone's like, wow, man, you've been practicing your vibrato? And it's like, no, shut up, I'm a professional.
There's probably a stick in their butt, and so they were trying to get rid of it. Gas hole.
Oh, no.
My mom farts a lot.
Wet and wimpy.
Well, that was a little bit of poop came out with that one.
That was a shard and we all know it. Okay. One more time. Wet and wimpy. Ladies and gentlemen of the general public, Jurassic farts.
I thought it was gonna
That
be
was
more.
disappointing.
That was disappointing. And that's the truth. Did I tell you I'm lactose intolerant?
And that's the truth. Yes, he did. Skid marks. your turn.
Weed eater.
How you doing, Wyatt? I thought you dissolved the THC in some sort of lipid.
Yeah, that's what you
And then you used it to bake.
Good.
God bless.
Puff Daddy. I imagine Snoop Dogg doing that.
Old Sparky. What is it, Sparky? Did Johnny fall down the well? I see, Johnny.
Again, Johnny fell down the well.
Again? Again, Sparky? Johnny fell down the well again? Well, yes, I know it's the third time this week, Sparky. Would you just shut up? You do not take that tone with... Okay, well, the Honorable President, George Bush. Hey, what's your plan for the presidency this year? I see. And your plan for the... And your plan for the economy? Yes, fascinating. And lastly, sir, what do you plan to do to end the war this year? This has been our interview with the Honorable President George Bush.
It's funny because that's how you address a judge, not a president.
Macaroni and squeeze. Light a match. Squat thrust.
That sounds like it said squat thrust. Squat thrust. Enjoying sucking on that beat?
Always.
Same.
No, but imagine you're sucking your guy's dick and this is what happens.
I didn't laugh.
I didn't either. Still going strong. We did it!
And that's the truth.
This has been the Fart Soundboard
Because you're useless.
with Eric and Megan. Play us out, Megan. Thank you. That is all. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.